Hi everyone, I am Sathana from Cuddalore, Isha Vidhya. Today we are going to see about Kepler's law and theory. Do you know who is Kepler? I know, ma'am. He is an astronomer. Yeah, you're right. Now let all go to the another world and see about the Kepler's law. Oh, I am very excited! The first law is law of ellipse. The path of planets about the sun is elliptical in shape, with the center of the sun being located at one focus. It explains that the planet are orbiting the sun in the path described as an ellipse. The second law is law of equal area. It describes the speed at which any given planet will move while orbiting the sun. The speed at which any planet moves through space is constantly changing. A planet moves fastest when it closest to the sun and slowest when it is furthest from the sun. The third law is law of harmonies. The ratio of the squares of the period of any two planets is equal to the ratio of the cube of their average distance from the sun. Next, we are going to see about geocentric theory and heliocentric theory.
Under the geocentric model, the sun, moon, stars, and planets all orbit. The geocentric model says that the Earth is at the center of the cosmos or universe, and the planets, the sun and the moon, and the stars circles around it.
Heliocentric theory.
This model positioned the sun at the center of the universe, motionless, with Earth and the other planets orbiting around it in circular paths, modified by epicycles, and at uniform speed.